Welcome. In today's guide, I'll be walking you through the simple steps to enable app icon badges for news notifications on the X app. If you've ever wanted a quick and easy way to see when new updates are waiting for you, turning on app icon badges is the way to go. This small change makes a big difference by allowing you to spot breaking news at just a glance, right from your home screen. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where you'll be able to manage all your apps and notifications in one place. Next, scroll down the list and tap on Apps. This section shows all the applications installed on your device. From here, you'll need to locate the X app. Once you've found it, tap on X app. This will open up a menu with all the specific settings tied to that app alone. The next step is to tap on Notifications. Notifications are the key to controlling what you see, when you see it, and how it appears on your device. Inside the Notifications menu, look for Notification Categories. This is where things become a little more customizable because it lets you control different types of alerts separately. Now, find and tap on the option labeled News. This category is dedicated to alerts coming from news-related updates in the X app. Finally, you'll see the toggle for app icon badges. Switch this setting on, and just like that, your phone will now display a small badge on the app icon every time there's a new news notification. And that's it. By following these steps, you've given yourself a quick visual way to never miss important updates. Instead of relying only on notification sounds or banners, you can now glance at your home screen and instantly know there's news waiting for you inside the app. So whether you're keeping up with world events, trending stories, or personalized news, enabling app icon badges makes the experience seamless and much more convenient. Simple, fast, and effective, now you'll always stay one step ahead.